Hello everyone, on your iPhone there is a hidden feature called back tap. It lets you double tap or triple tap the back of your phone to perform action immediately. Back tap like here. So I'm going to show you, let's see. First of all, open your phone settings. So after open, you just need to scroll down and select accessibility. And right now again scroll down and select touch. So here you can see select it. Right now again scroll down, you can find the option back tap. Select it. After select, there have two options, double tap or triple tap. You can select any one. So I select double tap. Right now for taking an action, you just need to choose the option. So you can select camera, flashlight, front camera, lot of option you can see. So I simply select screenshot. Here you can see. So I'm going to show you, just double tap like this, and here you can see screenshot already taken. So in the same way, if you just select the camera, here you can see I select camera. So right now if you just double tap on here like this, here you can see camera already opened. So I hope you can understand, and this is the totally a secret feature. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.